All right, Keith here again. Two guys how-tos, and we're going to show you how to clean the gutters on your roof or a customer's roof, whether you're making money or you're a homeowner using a gas-powered blower. Today we're using the Echo, the PB250LN, and it's lightweight and it's powerful. It'll blow the leaves out. Like on this one here, you can see it's early spring, and the helicopters are just everywhere down in here, and they're light, and we can sit here and we can scrape these things across, and we can get a handful and we can put them in our bucket, and we can do that for hours. Scrap the bucket, just throw that thing away if you need it. If the debris is going to get all over everything down there, if it's wet and nasty, use the bucket. Be careful, put it in a trash bag, throw it off to the side. But we're gonna blow these out. We're gonna knock this roof out in a little bit of time. I'm gonna be down off this ladder here in probably 7-8 minutes. But I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna clean this the upper part. And we got our ladder set up, and we got another ladder going up to the top of the roof here. So these gutters, these might not be as bad. Oh yeah, they're full. So you got this big old maple tree here. Beautiful tree, shades the house. But man, you can just see the amount of debris in here. We'd be here, for a couple hours, or an hour at least, doing the whole house. We're gonna get up on this thing. We're gonna start this up. And once again, it's the Echo PB250LN, and we're gonna blow the leaves out of the gutters with the gas-powered unit. I'm gonna get this thing started, and we'll make some noise. And what I do is sometimes I split the roof. I split the roof in two. I'll start here in the middle, and I'll go down to one of the edges. I'll go right and I'll go left. If it's windy conditions like it is today, you can blow the stuff off the roof real lightly. Don't blow up because you blow the shingles off. Always blow down on the shingles. All the stuff over here. The wind's died down. We're going to hit it with another pass, little pass. We're going down to the lower level, and we'll go around the front, and I'm just going to show you the back side here. You can see how clean those gutters are the whole way down. The whole way. Left and right. I break the gutter in two. That way you're not carrying all the weight in one direction. Break it in two, 50-50, take it left and right, get that weight distributed out of there with the leaves. Down here, it seems a little messy. It blows off the roof debris. Get this going. We're going to go down the lower gutter here. You can see that one full. pass here. See how far away I am. I'm probably about almost 10 feet away from that edge, and I'll be careful, but I'm gonna get as far out as I can. I'm gonna blow those leaves up out. Old school bucket way, we can do it this way. If you got these screens down over here, we put these screens in here years back. You slightly loosen up the debris next to them. That's it, that's the ball game. You see how clean it is. Just clean, and the rain will clean out that little bit of stuff. You're never going to get them 100%. It's a gutter, and we just cleaned the back gutters. If you saw the other video, I did the back part of the roof and the two or low parts coming down, probably 3-4 minutes flat. But if you can't stand on the roof like we did in the back, and you got a steep pitch, this is a Cape Cod style house, and it's way too steep to walk on. But you get the ladder. And you just keep moving this ladder down. So this blower, the Echo PB250LN, it's light enough to carry up there. You just stay on that ladder and you blow it. It'll probably blow that dry stuff. Wet stuff, it'll blow it a little less far. But the dry stuff, it'll probably blow 6-7 feet away from you. So you only got to move this ladder on a 40-foot house maybe 4 times. So we're gonna fire it up, and I'm gonna show you up there what to do. Once again, I'm putting the ladder in the middle of the building, in the middle of the gutters, and I'm going to split the weight. I'm going to take most of the weight to the right, and I'm going to take the rest of the weight down to the left, because you got 2 downspouts. So if it was real wet, you'd want to blow that water down there and get it to run down that spout instead of trying to take it all the way from there down over there. It's messy, and it gets all over the house, it gets all over you. Split the weight regardless of what it is, and you'll knock this out. Let me fire this up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it off the ladder. You can see these, there's not a lot of debris down in there. Just mainly down towards the ends, that's what I was saying. There's more down here because it's closer to the trees. But we're going to split this in 2, so be careful, don't blow yourself backwards off the ladder. Make sure the ladder is far enough out where it's not going to kick out on you when you're blowing. And always be careful, and you don't need to rev it up right where you are. Just blow the debris out of your way with just that idle. It'll blow those leaves away. And when you get those out of there, gun it up. There we go. And that probably did about 12 foot in that direction. We did about 12 foot in both directions off this ladder. So we knocked 24 foot off of the 40-foot width of this roof. And you're not going to get every little nook and every little piece. You might have one in there. That stuff's going to come out. It's going to dry and blow out. Or it'll get stuck down over there, and the customer calls us back and we'll clean it out. But it's not enough to hinder anything. You know, while I'm there, I just pick it out. I picked that one out and threw it out. But once again, we got the ladder in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and move this thing down to right around where the leaves wouldn't get out anymore. And let's fire this thing up, and we'll get back up there. You can see they're all about 6 foot from the edge. So let's see if we can blow it out of there real gently. Blow the shingles off. You know, once you get them back where you want them, you can unleash on it. See the gutter screen over there. I'll just go over and I'll hand pick that clean. We got about 99% of it thus far. We'll move down to the edge, and we'll finish cleaning the rest of it. And I'll show you guys that, and then I'll hand pick the screens on my own once I let you guys go, because I know you want to move on and get your gutters clean too. Grab one of these, the Echo PB250LN, and I'm gonna grab this ladder here, and I'm gonna walk it down. I left the blower running just so I can hurry up and get back up there and get you guys out in the yard working. Well, you might be out in the yard working now, and I'm giving you some incentive on how to clean these gutters fast. Your wife says, hey, clean the gutters, sweetie, you need to clean the gutters. Okay. Customer calls in, says, hey, can you do my gutters? Yeah, I can do your gutters, no problem. I got it. You go to the store, you pick up this Echo PB250LN, and knock it out. Ready? One more time. Like I said, be careful on the ladder. It's a little harder. There you go. And I'm going to hand pick this. I'll show you what I did down on the other side. I'm going to go back down there and do that one. You just rustle these up a little bit. And you hit that one more time. That's the gutter screen. I'll show you another time how to install one of those. It's simple. And as they say, clean as a whistle. That's it. That's the Echo, the PB250LN. And it's a great blower, and you know, you can see how steep this roof is, and I'm on the ladder right now. We got it cleaned out, so go grab yourself one of the Echo PB250LN and get your gutters clean, knock them out yourself. Save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money. Get your wife off your back, and make the customers happy. Make that money. It's Keith, REI Services, Two Guys How To's. Check us out. Until next time. Get her some. Keith here again. We just finished cleaning gutter with the Echo hand blower, the PB250LN, and I just want to show you guys real quick. I know you want to get back out in the yard. We got this debris that came off when we blew the roof. You can blow it off in a second. So let me fire this up, and then we're gonna blow it off, and you're out of here. See how much power this blower has when I lift up this heavy rubber floor mat with the air. That cleans any debris out from under it. And you don't have to touch it. Everything's clean now. We're good. So once again, thanks for checking us out. Keith, Two Guys How To's. Jude's over there fixing a washing machine, and I'm gonna go and get into something else. I might even do some fishing tonight. See ya. Hit and run! We're not gonna do that for hours. Just throw that thing away, man. We don't need that. We're gonna get raw. We're gonna blow these out in a little bit of time, and I'm gonna show you guys how. All right?
I'm not a pig, I'm a lawyer.